Right. So, good morning, everyone. A warm welcome to RPAVAULT trainings. So, today we are in the day two demo session about the RPA UiPath and Power Automation Cloud and Desktop and UiPath Agentic Automation demo. So, what we have covered yesterday, whoever joined for the first time today, for all of them, I am just giving you the recap what you have missed yesterday. So yesterday we discussed about what is this RPA, how many tools are there in RPA, and why this UiPath is trending and booming in the market now. What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? What are the industries nowadays using this RPA? What are the different automations we have in this UiPath? And I have explained about the differences between testing and RPA. So all these concepts we discussed yesterday along with some simple basic demo along with some UI explanation, right? So today we are in demo 2. First, let me share my screen. So whoever is joining late, no problem. You will get the recording session in the group. So to join in the group, please ping me in my WhatsApp. I will add you to the group and I will share all the updates about the classes, about today's session link, yesterday's link, and from tomorrow, our actual session is going to start. Okay, right. So this is the notes which I have started yesterday. So first of all, let me recap. Guys, this UiPath is all these RPA tools are low code, no code platforms. It's a low code, no code platform. It's a tool, simple RPA. It is an RPA automation tool. It's a simple drag and drop tool. So this batch started yesterday and today is the demo session. So first yesterday and today will be the two free demo sessions. From tomorrow, actual paid sessions will start. Okay. So every day class session will be morning 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. IST. So daily 2 hours of class will be there. Monday to Friday. So Saturday and Sunday will be off and it's completely live sessions. Once class completed every day, immediately you will get the recorded session. And this will be expired in 4 months, which means 120 days. And from the day one, I will explain what is this RPA, what is this UiPath. From scratch to advanced level, I will explain. Okay, so total course duration will be 45 days. 45 days. Okay, and all these are certified tools. From tomorrow itself, we are going to start our certification program as well. If you put that you are a certified professional in your resume, then you can expect more calls from the recruiters. Okay, so total course duration 45 days. In that one, you will get 32 to 33 classes. Every class 2 hours, which means you will get minimum 65 plus hours of content. In the market, 32 classes means you will get only 32 hours of content or 45 hours. But here in RPA Vault, you will get total 65 hours of content. So in this training, I am going to teach UiPath, Power Automation Cloud plus Desktop along with Agentic Automation. All these courses together at same place and single cost. Okay. So in this total 33 classes, 25 to 27 classes will be on UiPath and the remaining 6 to 7 classes will be on Power Automation. Power Automation will be on very high level explanation with some use cases because already you are spending good amount of time on UiPath so that you don't need to spend that much of time to explain and understand from very basic. Okay. So as I have mentioned, it's a low code, no code platform. No coding knowledge is required. Any graduate, any undergraduate, even college students, school students also can learn this tool and technology at very minimal. Okay. So the course cost will be 16,999 INR rupees. Okay. So what I have discussed yesterday, first of all, why we have joined this meeting guys to learn about what is RPA. So RPA's full form is nothing but robotic process automation. Immediately, robot means what you guys think immediately. Robot means some kind of a physical robot, right? But our robot is not a physical robot. Okay. For example, when I'm saying robot, you guys will think like I'm going to build this kind of robots. Okay. But no, I'm not going to build any such kind of robots, guys. Okay. Our robot is just a software. It is just a piece of code. How you are installing Microsoft MS Office or any Java, Python, .NET, how you are installing in your laptop. The same way, I can help you in installing this UiPath in your laptops or desktops tomorrow session. Okay. With the help of this robot, with the help of this robot, what we are going to do, we are going to mimicking the user actions. What is the meaning of automation, guys? Generally, reusability. Once you develop it, we can save the time. We will keep on replacing and re-implementing the same thing again and again, right? So with the help of this robot, we are going to mimicking the user actions. What is meaning of mimicking user actions? For example, there is a human being. What he is doing? Just opening the laptop, downloading the input data, copying the input data, processing the data, sending the data. So they're just to keep on doing the same set of tasks every day. They are not at all working on something new. They're just doing the same task. So with the help of this robot, we are going to automate those actions, user actions. What kind of actions? It's a repetitive manual tasks, repetitive processes. What is the meaning of process? Process means set of instructions, guys. What does it mean? In IT industry, in your day-to-day life also, we guys are keep on doing multiple processes. For example, if you want to ticket a, book a ticket in IRCTC railways, what are all you need? You need source address, destination address, time of journey, type of journey, class of journey, right? And you should have maintained proper internet banking with proper balance, and you should have to receive the OTP. If you have all these prerequisites, then only you can able to book a ticket. This is nothing but a process. Some set of rules are there. If you want to transfer some amount from your account to your friend's account, what are all we need? Again, net banking, you should have proper account details, and you should have the receiver's account number, IFSC code, all these details you need. Then only you can able to complete a transaction, complete a process. Like that in IT industry also, there are so many processes will be there. Those are repetitive processes, which means the human beings are keep on doing the same tasks from long time. Nowadays, to perform those transactions processes, we don't need human beings. We can replace all those human beings with the help of these robots. Okay, so we have more than, so RPA is just a definition. We are not going to learn anything about RPA. RPA is just a definition. In this RPA, we have 50 plus tools are available in the market. So some of the tools are, I'll share you that. So I see here, these all are more than 50 plus tools are available. Some have not mentioned here. So if you see core RPA capabilities. So what you can understand with this core RPA capabilities, see, these tools have the full complete end-to-end functionality knowledge is there. See, UiPath, Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere. So these tools are like very top and trending tools in all RPA tools, because for these tools, there doesn't have any limitation. It can automate like anything. For example, ERP applications are there. Just give me a second. Right. So guys, if you observe here, if you want to automate particular ERP applications, then Redwood, Kappa tools will be there. Some access to sourcing decisions like other tools, Remelia, Open Connect, APNs, Enable Soft. For productivity tools, we have Softomotive, Visual Cron, and for BPM, BPO applications, Pega, Be Informed. For front office desk robots, we have Excellent, Nice, Focada, Verint. So different tools are available in the market. So now I am going to teach you all the top trending tool in the market, which is UiPath. Along with UiPath, the second competitor tool, which is Power Automation. All these tools together. Okay. So it is a simple drag and drop tool, no coding knowledge is required. And what are the advantages we have discussed yesterday? If you implement this RPA UiPath in your organization, first of all, client will get cost cutting, which means that process, whatever the human beings are doing, there are like total 10 to 15 members are doing the same transactions from long time, same processes. Now, once we deployed our robot into production, what they will do, the company will fire them. They will terminate them because whatever the task they are doing, that was doing by the robot now. Then why they keep those persons, right? So cost cutting, first of all, they can save huge money on these robots. And time saving. Human beings will work only for 9 hours per day, but robots can work for 24 by 7. And in that 9 hours also, human beings maximum they will work for 5 to 6 hours only, because the remaining time will be coffee break, tea break, meetings, lunch break. So many things will be there. That 4 to 5 hours of productive work also can robot able to complete within just 20 to 30 minutes. So out of 24 hours of robot hand, we are just consuming 30 minutes of robot time to replace one human being. So can you imagine how many, still we have 23.5 hours of time in robot hand. So can you imagine how many processes we can automate? With one robot only, we can able to automate more than 30 to 40 processes. If client have more than 100 to 200 processes, they will hire for more than, 10 to 15 robots based on the requirement. So that everywhere, the RPA bots will replace. That's how this RPA concept came into the picture, to replace human beings, whoever is doing the simple repetitive tasks. At the same time, there are some disadvantages are also there. Okay. And guys, robots don't commit any mistakes. It won't do any errors, zero errors. However you train, it will give you the same output. And the productivity is getting increasing, more and more productivity. Normally, human being is taking 4 to 5 hours to complete the transaction, but robots are just completing 15 to 20 minutes only. So that the productivity is getting increased. You can save so much of time. Along with that, we have some disadvantages are also there, guys. Like no update should be there, which means if you want to automate any application, if you keep on coming up with some updates, keep on getting the updates, then for the human being itself, it will take some time to understand those updates. Suddenly, some pop-up came. Yeah, hi, your Internet Explorer, is going to stop. Please move everything to Edge browser. So while robot is doing the automation, suddenly some pop-up came and it is giving some disturbance. Then it cannot able to handle if anything suddenly interrupted. And whatever the development you have done on the previous application, they have changed all the UI elements, all the user interface. Like that, if you have keep on coming some updates, and for example data, every day if you are receiving the data in same format, like same Excel only or same Word or same PDF something, okay, you can able to automate. But but suddenly what happened, they are giving you the client in Excel only, but in different language, like in Word or something. Today you are getting the data in English, tomorrow you are receiving in some Chinese or Japanese. Then how able to robot can able to understand? It cannot able to perform, right? So there should be some fixed format of data and templates should be there. Then only we can able to automate anything. Okay. So disadvantages, and what are the different industries using this RPA? Banking industry, retail industry, insurance, oil and gas companies, manufacturing companies, healthcare companies. Okay. All these industries are nowadays using this RPA on a vast numbers. Finance team, payroll team, food and nutrition companies, life sciences, biochemical, biosciences, all these industries nowadays using this RPA implementation. And what are the different automations we have, guys, in UiPath? Excel automation, web automation. These are like very common automations in every client. Other than that, we have Word, desktop, basic, image, Citrix, recordings we have, and even we can able to integrate ERP applications like SAP, Oracle, mainframes, and we can integrate with different tools like ServiceNow, Remedy Force, everything, whatnot. No limitation, nothing, anything, any application we can able to automate. Okay. So yesterday I have showed here, right, guys? These are all the different technologies we can able to integrate and we can able to automate. Apple scripting, Azure, Box, Calendly, Citrix, Coupa, Datadog, Expensify, Facebook. For example, I want to automate some Facebook automation. What are all activities I have? You can post, you can create some page post here. You can create some video. You can post some photo. You will get all the insights, updates, notifications, reviews. And if you click on advanced, you have get record, insert record, list all the records if somebody called you. Okay. Like that, you can integrate any type of application, guys. Okay. For example, you want to Jira integration. See how many, if you want to create any issue, if you want to get all the issues, if you want to delete the record trigger, see all these functionalities in each and every application, whatever the common things we do every day, we can able to call all these things. For example, ServiceNow. In ServiceNow, what we do is generally ServiceNow. Any idea, anyone? What is ServiceNow? So guys, ServiceNow is nothing but a simple ticketing tool. We can able to create the tasks, incidents, change requests, change manager. So you can attach. So if you want to create any incident task, you can create. If you want to create incident, you can create incident. If you want to get all the incidents, you can list all incidents, list all incident tasks. You can update the incident. In advanced, you have delete the record, get record, insert record. You can able to trigger all these incidents also, actions also. Okay. Like this, by using all these technologies, we can able to integrate nowadays using UiPath. Okay. Right. So today, again, warm welcome to second session. Whoever has missed yesterday's session, if you want to get the recorded session of yesterday, please ping me in my WhatsApp number so that I will add you in the group. I will share all the updates to you about the session which going to start the session from tomorrow morning. Okay, right. So today what I'm going to deliver in the demo session, second part, RPA consultants versus software engineers. So guys, generally when you are going to start your career, what will be your designation? Associate, trainee associate, software engineer, senior software engineer, lead engineer. See, like that you will get the designations generally. But in RPA, it's a little bit different. Here everything will be related to the consultants, because why we are calling as a consultant? What will be the roles and responsibilities of a consultant? Why not software engineer? If you need to know, you need to know that after you joining in the company, what are all the roles and responsibilities you need to focus on, right? Then only if you get some clarity, then only you can able to give your efforts in the coming training days, right? What companies are expecting from you? What are all we should do every day after joining in the company, right? So guys, in your college academics, you have a subject called software engineering, right? In that software engineering, we have a concept called SDLC. What is this SDLC, guys? Any full form? Anyone can help me? What is SDLC?
Software development lifecycle.
Hmm. So what does it mean, guys? Software development life cycle. What we will do with this software development life cycle?
It is a total process of a particular software from requirement gathering to up to production deployment.
Right. If you want to develop anything in the real time, first of all, what we need to have, we need some proper plan. We need to have some timelines. If you don't have the timelines, what they can do, they can keep on extending. I want to construct a building, guys. Then what I will do, first of all, what I need proper land, proper, they need to do some soil test. I need proper approvals from the government. I need proper raw material, sand, cement, water, and then I need iron, and then I need what I need manpower to properly construct. I need proper design, architecture, and then I will give this contract to some construction company. I will tell them what is your quotation. Please give me the budget line, and then in how much of time you can able to complete and deliver the project. So they will say like, okay, sir, I can give you in one year. So everything is properly planned. Then only you will have a proper fruitful product as an output, right? In the same way, but if that construction company is saying, sir, I cannot give you the timeline. Okay, so whatever the manpower and material is required, please give me. I will construct and I'll give you. No timelines. Then will okay, are you interested in giving that project to them? Because they're not able to tell. No timeline. If no timeline, there is no seriousness, no stress, no pressure. They will keep on doing the small tasks also very slowly. Instead of that, if you put some boundary line for everything, hey, okay, this week this should be the plan. This month this should be the plan. By end of this month, at least 2 to 3 floors should complete. By next year, all this is what I'm expecting. Right. So if you have any proper expectation, proper goal, proper timeline, then we can able to achieve anything as per the timeline. We need to put some goal, right? First of all, we need to have proper plan. If you want to take this training also, first of all, what you need proper degree, or if you're studying also fine, and you need to have proper laptop with proper working condition, proper RAM and ROM, and then proper, every day you should have to wake up in the morning and attending the session, and you have to do some practice, get some hands-on experience, do some certification, get professional certified developer, and then you are eligible for the job. Right. So without this planning, if any of this planning is getting failed, then you cannot able to complete the training. Like that in software industry also, guys, we will follow some software development life cycle to start the project and to complete the project within the timeline. For that, we use generally two methods, two models we have: waterfall model, agile model. Anyone have any idea what this is, waterfall and agile?
In waterfall model, we need to develop as a whole and then we need to deploy in the production. That is waterfall
Excellent.
model.
Excellent. Then how about agile? Agile also same only, no?
Agile, it's no, it's a break. We need to break the development into multiple phases. It's a part by part development and part by part means deployed in the,
Excellent.
and in a weekly or bi-weekly or monthly basis.
Right. Good. So guys, generally in previous we have only waterfall model. What is the drawback of waterfall model? For example, there is a software. Okay, WhatsApp. We have designed the WhatsApp and we have delivered everybody in the world, using this WhatsApp. But you don't have any updates. Whenever you got the first time, the first version, after 10 years also, you will have the same version. No updates, nothing. Everything you should develop at once and deploy it. But nowadays, are we using any such kind of product which you are not receiving any update? No, right? Everything you keep on receiving updates, right? How is it possible? How is it happening, guys? Because we are following agile methodology. What does it mean? The total project we will divide into small chunks, small parts. For the first part, we will put some timeline. Okay, this 3 months of project, we need to complete the first version of WhatsApp. In the second version, we will add status option. We will add group audio call, group video call. In the third version, we will launch WhatsApp payment option. In the fifth launch, we will add WhatsApp business option. In sixth one, we can add the catalogs, brochures. We can make some business. So application is same. In the starting, when you download, it will be the same. But how you are getting those updates? You have an option called in Play Store, App Store, update. In the update, if you click on the release notes, you can see in this version, we are going to launch this option. Please update to enjoy these new features, right? Which means every electronic gadget, every device, every software, every application, what is happening nowadays? We need keep on updates. We need something new always. You are using iPhone 16. Okay, next year I need iPhone 17 with some new updates. Yeah, I'm using Honda Activa 5G. Next year I want 10G. OnePlus 12. Next year I want OnePlus 13. This year, this today, WhatsApp I'm using version 5.5.5. Tomorrow we will get 5.5.6. Right? How it is possible, guys? Previously we don't have like that. We have keypad mobile phones. We have remote video games, normal, static one, standalone. We have some old model CRT TV monitors. Of course, those are also good only, but the drawback of those is what we cannot able to update, right? But all this nowadays, whatever we are following agile methodology, what is happening, we can keep on update. Okay. So now what I am going to tell you all. So let's take an example, guys. Okay, I am working in Wipro. I have total 7+ years of IT experience. Is my screen visible, everyone? Right. IT
Yes.
experience. My designation is senior software engineer. And I am working for Wipro. Okay, at Hyderabad location, for example. Now I am working for the client. Wipro is what, guys? Wipro is a consulting services company. Okay, what they will do, they will get the projects and they will deliver based on the requirement. So I am working for the client called, for example, um, Total Gas. You know, right? Total Gas, one of the very oil and gas, one of the biggest company. Total Gas, Shell, right? Very big oil and gas companies. Now they need a requirement. They have a requirement. What that requirement is that related to the invoice, invoice or purchase order, purchase requisitions, etc. And they want that development to be completed by Wipro. So in Wipro, as I'm working in as a software engineer, I am working for the client called Total Gas, and we got some new requirement that I need to, develop the invoice processing system, purchase order system, purchase requisition system. So they gave this project. They gave this project for 30 days, and our team is 30 members. 30 members. In that one, we are following this agile methodology. If you're following agile methodology, what we will have, first of all, we will have sprint plan. We have a scrum master. We have solution architect. We have a solution architect. We have business analyst. We have project manager. We have delivery manager. We have leads. We have developers. We have testers. We have go live team. We have project governance team. We have support monitoring team. I can say hypercare. And we have change request team. So this total 30 days of plan, what this Scrum Master will do, he will decide the total 30 days what should be the plan. And every day he will schedule a daily stand-up call. In that stand-up call, all these 30 members will join every day. Maybe morning one call and end of the day one call. In that call, what these 30 guys will discuss about. Okay, team. So maybe architect or scrum master or project manager on a high level, they will introduce about the project. Okay, team. So we got this project. Now we need to deliver this project within 30 days. For that one, our solution architect will give you the high level feasible solutions are required. What are the feasible solutions are there? He will explain, and leads will assign the tasks to the developers, and project manager will deliver the project. Delivery manager will deliver. Project manager will take care of entire project deliverables. And solution architect will give the high level solutions like what are the technologies we should use to implement this development. And developers will start development, and business analyst, what they will do, they will be act like as a mediators between the client and the developers. They will collect the complete requirement gathering. Okay, in this invoice processing system, first of all, where you are getting the input, where we have to process this input, to where we need to send this application, what are the background functionality, how the UI you need to look like, what are the buttons you need to look like, what is the UI, what is the, if there is any mobile application, how that looks like, everything they will discuss. They will give you the high level solution. Everything will be documented by business analyst, right? After getting the sign off approval for the documentation, they will give the documentation to the leads or developers. Then based on the documentation requirement, developers will start the development. Like that, end-to-end project flow from collecting the requirement gathering, documentation part, development, testing, deployment, monitoring, change request. All these 30 members are working together for 30 days to deliver this requirement. That's why what they are doing here, as of now, that requirement, that application invoice processing is not there, not ready. These 30 guys are going to create something new which is not there. That's why they are engineers. They're going to construct something new. Always they will develop something new which is not existed, right? Now, coming to the RPA consultants. RPA consultants. Why we are calling as a consultant, you guys will understand within next 5 to 10 minutes. Again, myself, Raghava, I am working in, for example, Capgemini. Okay. And I have total 9+ years of experience. And my designation is principal consultant. And now I am working for the client called Citibank. Okay. So guys, in Citibank, they are having more than 100+ manual processes. Once you go to the bank to create the account, if you share all your details like name, gender, address, location, or phone number, and where you are working. So for everything, if you give within half an hour to 1 hour, they will create some unique ID, which is bank account number, and they will tell you, okay, sir, please go. You will receive everything on mobile and email, and you will keep on receiving the debit card, credit card, net banking credentials, checkbook, passbook, all these things you will get. How you will get in the back end? How many people are processing on one application? Can you imagine? To deliver all these applications products to the customer, these many people are working in the background. In banks, we don't have only this kind of retail banking. We have loans, we have construction projects companies we can tie up with. We can go for a gold loan, car loan, personal loan. So many departments will be there. So in the retail banking only, these many process people are working in the background. So what they are doing, for you, for me, for all the people, processing the same, taking the inputs, processing that, sending that output. So like that, they have total 100+ manual processes are there. Now they want to implement this automation to perform all these repetitive manual tasks in their organization. Then they have contacted to Capgemini. Hi Capgemini, we have total 100 plus processes are there. Can you please help us in automating, implementing this RPA? Because we have more than 100 of people working on this, repetitive tasks. We want to get the productivity increasing. We know we want to save time and money. Then what my manager do? My manager, for example, Rahul is my RPA manager. From Citibank, Rohit is from Citibank manager. Rohit is from Citibank manager. Rohit is manager in Citibank. So immediately, first of all, on a high level, Rahul and Rohit will discuss on a high level. Initial introductions, initial discussions. So Rahul will say, hi, myself, Rahul. I have total these many years of experience. I'm currently working as a manager. Okay, please tell me what is your requirement, how we can help you. So Rohit is saying, boss, in our Citibank, we are every day we are working on, so many repetitive tasks. So can you please help us to automate? Then what Rahul will say, yes, boss, no problem. We can able to help you. It's not a big deal. So I will introduce Raghu, RPA consultant, who can help you in automating. So Rahul will introduce Raghu to Rohit. So Rohit is client side, right? Raghu is consultant, technical consultant, which means developer, end-to-end developer. And this Rahul, RPA manager, right? Try to understand the context. Context is what I am trying to explain. Now, in this discussion, you guys will understand what companies are expecting from you. Okay. So then immediately Rahul introduced me to Rohit, client side. Then Rohit said, okay, Raghu, we will start the work from tomorrow. Then what happened? Rohit explained first process. Rohit explained their first manual process to Raghu. Okay. So what happened here? Requirement gathering. Requirement gathering is completed, right? Which means first of all, what I will do, I will record the steps. Whatever the Rohit is explaining me, the critical steps, whatever he explained the manual process, first of all, I will record the steps because Rohit have so much of experience. Rohit have more than 15-20 years of experience in Citibank. Okay, 15 plus years of experience. And we call him as a subject matter expert, SME, which means he have full knowledge on that particular process, all the processes. So he explained the process. Hey Raghu, from last 15 years, I am working on the same process, which is the repetitive task only. Can you help me in automating? Okay, boss, please explain me the process. So Rahul explained. When Rohit is explained, what I will do, I will record the steps because he know complete end to end, but I am very new to this process. I may or I may not understand for the first time because it is very huge process. More than 100 steps are there. So first I will record the steps and then what I will do, already that application is in live. Okay, if you observe this application, whatever he is explaining, it is already in live. They are doing the same task from 15 years or 20 years or 25 years. So what I will do next immediately, I will check the feasibility. What I will check first of all, is it really a repetitive task or not? From where you are getting the input data, what will be the format of the input data? Is the data everything is in coming in everyday same format or is it keep on changing? Is there any human dependency? Is there any decision making? Is there? What will be the application behavior? Whether can we able to do this automation or not? If yes, every day, how many transactions you should work on? Like that, all this feasibility check I will do. Once feasibility checking done from my end, what I will do, I will prepare the documentation part. So who is going to prepare? Ourselves only, because I only know the process steps. No. So I will prepare the business requirement document. Some people will call it as a process definition document, solution design document, business requirement document, cutover plan, exception handling document, process flow diagrams, okay, case studies, everything we will discuss. And then what we will do once the documentation completed. In this documentation, I have clearly mentioned, boss, you explained me these process steps. I have captured everything in the document. Please go through those steps, what you have explained and what I am going to do with the robot. Everything I have mentioned. Please check the steps and please give your approvals, sign off. Then I will go to the next step. So client everything has gone through and they have understood all the steps, whatever they have explained, they will validate. If everything is good, then what they have mentioned, okay, Raghu, everything is good. We got the sign off approvals. Once we received the sign off, what I will do immediately, I will start the development automation on the UiPath Studio. Once development completed, what I need to do? Testing. I will do unit testing and then I will do quality check with the client whether robot is able to handle all the happy path business exceptions and system exceptions correctly or not as per the requirement document. Once testing done, once get the approvals for the testing, what I will do? I will do the deployment, which means go live, which means I will do go live. And after go live, what I will do, I will monitor the process. I will monitor the automation process at least 2 weeks of time, which means in these 2 weeks, I will monitor whether robot is able to do everything in the production or not. If any issues, immediately I will be the first person to make it correct. Because in client environment, whatever the environment they gave, development environment, quality, virtual machine, production machine, the three VMs are looking like little bit different configurations. Then what will happen? Whatever you done the development, it might be not the same in the production. It might changed. So there are like some things will be there. So we will take care of. And then finally, we will submit the process to hypercare team, which means support team. Okay, boss, everything is working as expected. From today, you please monitor this process. I'm going to start develop the next automation process and I'll give the documentation to the support guy so that if any issues comes up immediately, he will take care of. And finally, if any new changes comes up in the process, what we need to do, we need to work on change request, which means new updates came in the process. We need to update the bot. We need to make some enhancements to the robot so that we will do those changes and we will deploy the bot into production again. Like that, what you have observed between this agile methodology software engineers, between this RPA consultant, what you have observed? Anyone? What you have observed in both these software engineers and RPA consultants? Vineet, Sam, Tirupati, Shravan, Iqbal. So if you observe software engineers, what they are doing, it is some team of work, some team set of work. Total 25-30 members are there. All those members together working and they're going to deliver something which is not existing. But here in this RPA, what we are doing already, the application is in live, already product is there. We are just automating those steps with the help of this RPA. With the help of these robots, we are just automating those existing processes which is already in live. We are not going to develop something new. Okay, with the just help of this robot, we are automating. That's why we are calling as a consultant, because you are the one playing all the roles and responsibilities. You are the requirement gathering person, which means you are the, solution architect, you are the business analyst, you are the developer, you are the tester, you are the support guy. All the roles and responsibilities are taken by yourself. That's the reason companies are paying you high salary jobs for this RPA, because you are the only one working on all these roles and responsibilities. You are an independent contributor, which means you are the only one between mediator, like as between your company to the client. So your manager introduced you to the client. From next day, you should be work with the client. You are the only one person is there. Nobody is there with you. So the client will keep on explaining you one by one, one by one, one by one manual process. You need to keep on automating those steps one by one, one by one, one by one. If they want very high timelines, deadlines, they will hire 3 to 4 RPA developers. You guys four are working independently on each and every process, and you will automate. Okay, understood, guys? Now, everybody. But this is not the same in all the companies. In some companies, you might have the team. You will have business analyst, you will have solution architect, you will have lead, you will be the developer, you will have testing team, you will have the deployment team in RPA also. But in some companies, you might need work as an independent contributor also. Frankly speaking, these two possibilities will be there. So I will train you on independent contributor, how to become independent contributor. When client is explaining you the manual process, how to collect the requirement gathering, what are all the questions we need to ask them while checking the feasibility, how to prepare the documentation, what are all the points we need to keep in the document, what are all important considerations, what is as is process, how it is to be processed, how the format of the document look like, what is cutover plan. If you give 2 months of timelines to the client, how you will justify in this, why you need 2 months of time, how you will calculate the project complexity, what will be the budget to make this implement automation, what are all you need, what are all the infrastructure is required. We need virtual machines, we need VPN connections, we need remote desktop applications, we need proper access, we need proper UiPath Studio related products, we need sample test data, we need those applications, we need access to that applications. If everything infra setup is placed, then we can able to automate like anything, right? So that's why, guys, companies are paying you high salary jobs if you are a consultant. Okay, understood, everyone? Please raise your hand or please say something.
Hi, sir. I have a doubt actually.
Yes, please go ahead.
Uh, Suppose, as you say, first the requirement gathering is there.
Hmm.
So before doing, can we develop the same starting from the UiPath technology?
Yes, starting from your path only, we will automate.
Okay.
So, like, what does it mean? You mean like before your path, can we do use any another application you are asking?
Yes. Suppose there
No.
is an existing application, so we need to integrate the same into UiPath, right? As per your example, so the project is already been working for last 10 to 15 years.
Hmm.
So no, we have to automate this as a developer or as a tester. So
Hmm.
first we need to, after existing application, we need to develop this into the UiPath, right?
Right. Right.
So it's a structure based. If I'm talking about the structure, is it a MVC structure or it's in entire architecture?
So, yeah, it's a good question. I will explain you. For example, in the client, they are doing SAP process, SAP ERP application. From last 15 years, they are using SAP application. Now they want to automate. With the help of our UiPath Studio, we will integrate that with SAP and then we will implement the automation. Whatever the steps they are doing, opening SAP application, in that one we have multiple instances will be there, ECC, EWM, SRM, GRC. Robot will open the SAP logon pad, robot will click on instance, robot will enter credentials. After opening the home page, It will check whether is it a login success or not, and then it will enter transaction code. It will enter some input data. It will execute. It will get some data. It will get all the data, record the data. It will store the data into local machine. It will execute the data like that. All whatever human being is doing, everything will be do by the bot. That set of steps we need to train to the bot that you are the one only doing. So here some companies will follow agile methodology. Some companies don't follow any agile methodology. No structure something. We have RE framework. In UiPath also we will follow framework called Robotic Enterprise Framework. To reduce the burden on the developers, they have already written 40 to 50% of code in our UiPath. With the help of that RE framework, you are going to implement automations in real-time industry. Understood? I hope my answer is clear.
Yes.
Solution.
So it's a different architecture, RA
Hmm,
architecture. Yeah. So
exactly.
if suppose after the RE developing the robot framework, then if there is any change request is come, that is the common thing in software industry. There might be
Yes.
some changes. So
Hmm,
in that case, what robot will do? We need to again insert those codes into the that particular UiPath framework, or we need to
exactly.
generate
We need to
another framework.
So, for example, now today I have deployed one process. Okay, up to 3 months every day it is working fine as expected. After 3 months, client come up with some new changes. So again, when we got new change request or enhancement, first of all, we need to check that feasibility. Can we really implement this new enhancement to the existing bot or not? Otherwise, do we need to create a new robot for this process? If it is feasible, what we will do, we will take a download of that copy. Robot will run in live. We will take a download of the copy of the existing process. We will add all these new changes, enhancements to the existing code, and we will test internally. If everything is good, everything working as per the new requirement, we will deploy this latest update to the production. So you will have previous version will be there, the latest version also will be there. Like that, we will also keep on deploy new products, new applications, new enhancements. For example, let me share you the screen and I'll show you in practical. Okay, so we have this cloud.uipath.com in UiPath. Okay, so we have a concept called orchestrator. Okay, so we have guys total three products: UiPath Studio and UiPath Assistant. Okay, and third one is orchestrator. These three are the very basic primary components in UiPath. So in this orchestrator, for example, I have deployed one process, one project today. Okay, so if you go to the process, you can see um, packages. I have deployed one package today. Okay, so if you click on more actions, see versions. So one day ago, I have deployed the version 1.0.1. Now I got new changes. Then what I will do, I will download this package. I will open the code in the studio. I will do the changes. Again, I will publish. Then what will happen? A new version will be created 1.0.2. Then once you deploy, automatically the latest version will be in active mode. For example, after 1 month again, client came and said, "Hey Raghu, please don't use this latest package. Please use the older version only, 1.0.1 only." Then what we will do, we will just download this package and we will make this as an active. Like that, keep on versions will come. We will download and then we will test and we will deploy. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yeah.
right.
But if suppose, as you say, the second one, if suppose the new requirement we cannot handle in the existing bot,
Hmm.
then how should we need to create another bot for this, for new
Yes.
requirement?
Yes, we
And
need to
those
create new
two,
bot.
how could?
Then we don't use the first bot because we will inform to the client, boss, if we implement these changes to the existing bot, it won't work. We need to create a new bot. Then automatically the old bot we don't use. We will use the latest bot only.
So in the latest bot, all those existing functionalities should be present.
Yes, of course. Later existing functionalities are also will be there. See, if it is a minor changes, just format of data in the application. For example, in this Gmail, they have said as of now, this is our Gmail application. They said like, hey Raghu, this compose button is changed to here. This sent items is up here. This Gmail logo right side changed. Like some small changes are there, no problem. We can able to update those changes. But the business logic itself changed everything. So instead of disturbing the existing code, better we can launch the new project. So if keep on changings also is not recommended in UiPath. Only like minor changes only. If it is everything keep on changing, then we need to inform that please come up with a new project. Please let's create a new project. For example, in this document, I'll show you one document. Here we have clearly mentioned that in the classes, I will explain you this presentation. Right. So if you observe in this slide presentation, so is this particular process right fit or not? Okay. What are the overview for like if you implement this process automation, what will be the benefits will get by the client, and how to choose a best RPA use case, how to calculate the complexity analysis, what are the process maps, requirement gathering, client management, and then pre-sales and things to keep in mind that uh, if the processes keep on coming up with changes, we need to inform to the client that please don't disturb the existing code and let's create a new project. I have somewhere mentioned that point here. Okay, I'll show you that presentation tomorrow. Okay,
Okay, sir.
right. Any more questions, anyone? We understood everybody? Right. I'll explain it tomorrow. Kaur, you understand what is this RPA, your path on a high level? Whether your son is listening. Hi, can you please respond? Right. Sindhura joined. Sindhura. Okay. Right. So guys, what you have observed here, consultant. Why we are calling as a consultant? Because you are the only one responsibility as a independent contributor that everything representing the client, everything on company side. So for example, if you know real estate consultants, automobile consultants, real estate consultant, what they will do based on the experience, first of all, they will go and do some research on the land, and finally they will invest some on the land. They will take the land from the landlord and they will do some initial investment, right? So what will happen then? First of all, in that one, if we invest 100 rupees today, will I get the profit or not by tomorrow? Can I able to sell all these plots within 2 to 3 months or time? So he will do some basic research and finally he will take some land from the landlord on a bulk number on a huge land, and then he will make some amenities providing the roads and everything, right? Doing some advertisement. He will hire some manpower. He will build roads, water, drainage, everything. He will put amenities and then he will start advertising. And whoever comes up, the end users, what he will tell, hey boss, if you invest 100 rupees today, it will become 200 rupees by next year. Like that he will say. And finally, after 2 months, he will complete selling all the, plots to the end users. So what happened here? He is having his own homework. He did the ground research. He checked the feasibility, everything we can, all the amenities can we implement? Is there any regulations are there? Are this really land is correct one or not? Do you have proper documentation? Everything is, agreement, everything is correct or not? Like that he will check and then invest. And then finally he will implement through step by step, right? The same concept here also. Consultant, what they will do? Everything whatever you promise it to the end user, everything we will do automation step by step processes, like collecting the requirement gathering, checking the feasibility, documentation, development, testing, deployment. So this is not the same in all companies. Okay, for example, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, IBM, HCL, these companies, Genpact. Maybe if you join, maybe you should work as an independent contributor, or else you might work as a team, team member. You might have a team. You will follow some agile methodology. Anything might happen. So you should be ready for everything. Whether you are joining as an independent contributor or a team member. If you join as a team member, only your responsibilities will develop the automation flow, requirement gathering, documentation, solution, everything will take care by respective people. But when you join as an independent contributor, you are the only one end-to-end handling on your shoulders. For example, Signity or Value Momentum as technologies. In these companies, you will be the independent contributor. Okay. So after you join, they will give you one separate client to you. So you should be, first of all, have good ability skills. You should have listen and you should have understand the process in steps very clear. Okay. And then you have proper communication skills, proper writing skills, proper emailing skills, proper technical skills, proper logical thinking skills you should have. And then once you implemented all this, then you will deploy the bots into production. Right. So guys, what will be the future scope? How much of package we can expect? And what will be the structure, like job structure, how it will be hiring and everything. Okay. So future scope. So when I am learning in 2017, 7 years before, I thought like same, array, if I learn this tool, whether can I able to, survive in the industry or not? After 2 to 3 years, if this tool is nobody is using, then what will be my future? Every day I used to scare, but now I'll feel like very happy and fortunate that I'm working in this booming and trending technology, because it is a future technology, guys. Every day you should keep on update yourself. Every day they're coming up with some new launches in the product. So definitely there is a huge market scope for this UiPath tool. Even though Microsoft Power Automation is coming as a competitor, but the own features, whatever we have in UiPath, no other tool have the same features. Okay, definitely you will have 5 to 7 years, you can able to survive very happily. See, not only this UiPath, every language or tool, whatever you are learning or implementing or working on, definitely you need to you need to update and work on yourself. Okay, nice, 1 second. Right. Okay, so there is a definitely future scope is there. So how about job opportunities? We have so many job opportunities are nowadays in India, in US, in all the geographical locations. Okay, for example, if you go and search in LinkedIn, see how many opportunities are there on RPA, UiPath, UiPath jobs. See, UiPath developer 1 week ago they have posted Hyderabad location, Paraxel Hyderabad location, Birlasoft Hyderabad location. So you can just search and apply. Not only in LinkedIn, all the websites. See, there are so many positions are there. GHX, Paraxel, EPAM Solutions, Oruchi, Amazon. Amazon also we have senior automation, developer, M developer, Momentum, consultant, Accenture. See, we don't need all these jobs. No, we need only one job out of these many jobs. And then let's search in Naukri. So as of now, today, let's see how many jobs are there on UiPath. UiPath experience, for example, 3 years, location, all over India, global. I'm ready to locate anywhere. See, 619 jobs are there. So just apply, keep on apply. Put some efforts, keep on apply. Let them know that you're looking for a job and then start apply for the job. Okay. Next, what will be the packages? So guys, generally when you are working on any, testing or development language, you can expect your years of experience into 2 lakhs. For example, you have 5 years of experience. You can expect minimum into 2, which means 10 lakhs of package. You have 10 years of experience. You can expect minimum 20 lakhs. So the number will be slightly 1.8 to 2, 2.2, 2.5. But in RPA, the number will be into 3. If you have 5 years experience, you can expect minimum 15 lakhs of salary. If you have 10 years, your package should be minimum 30 lakhs because you have more responsibilities. You are a consultant. You will have, end-to-end responsibilities. Okay. Understood about the packages, guys? And then everybody nowadays looking for immediate joiners. Notice period, minimum 15 to 30 days you should join. Then only recruiters will schedule your call with companies. Otherwise, they don't even, schedule the interview also. If you're an immediate joiner, then only they'll call you. Okay. And let me, any questions so far? Anyone in this one? All good? Any more questions? Why Nana? Charta? Okay, okay, Nana. Chaduko.
Sir, I want to know as a UiPath developer, there is a RPA tester is also present, right?
So testing concept is completely different. So we have robotic process automation is there. We have robotic test automation is there. We are completely discussing here about robotic process automation, but on a high level, I will give you what is this test automation, where we will use this testing and all in UiPath using UiPath. Nowadays, test automation is also growing on a very vastly. It is keep on updating and everybody, whoever is using Selenium, EFT, UTL, manual, those are also migrating from their existing tools and technologies to UiPath.
Yes. So RPA testing jobs is also available, right?
Yes, yes, testing jobs
And
are
the
also
tool
available.
is tools is
Same,
same.
same only,
Okay. But
same
the
only.
functionality might be different.
Exactly, exactly. Here, what we will do, whatever application is already in live, we will just automate in process automation. Test automation means what? Whatever you tested, all the test case results success, the result is pass by using all different test data sets. If everything is good, then we will confirm to the client. See, we gave here this data, all the screens documented. See, robot take the screenshot. This screen you are expected here. See, we got the screen here. We made this solution, we made this data, and you are expecting this data part calculation. So everything robot will capture all the screens, will prepare the document and will send the document to the client, so that once everything is testing done, then they will deploy the robots into live.
And the means the type of coding is also like same. There
Same,
is a
same,
no code thing. You
no
need to
code
take the
only.
screenshot or the capture, and
Ah,
there it will automatically design the particular format.
yes. For example, in this process automation, what we will do generally, So in testing, what we will do, we will start our project with when given then format. When this is the data, we are giving this format data and then we are getting these results. Okay, the type of workflow we will use and we will implement. Okay, development, everything is same. There we are using the live production data, but in the testing, we were using the testing data. That's it. Both are like everything same infrastructure, documentation, everything will be the same.
Okay, sir.
Right. And guys, let's go into the product sometime. So guys, this is the UiPath.com official website of UiPath. In this UiPath, as I have told you, this is free of cost, which means it is an enterprise application. It is an open source application. Anybody can download and install and learn this tool for free of cost. But in real time, we have enterprise edition, which means clients should purchase the licenses. Then they will get the enterprise edition. Hey Raghu, do we have any difference between these two? No, nothing difference. Everything will be the same. Some of the features options you might not able to access it, but in enterprise you can able to access everything. But I can explain you the functionality, everything in an open source community edition. So the real difference between is that application support. In real time, if you got any issue error in the UiPath Studio, then immediately you can raise the request with UiPath. Then immediately the UiPath team can help and support you in clearing that solution, in giving you the proper perfect solution. Okay. But when you're using community edition, you don't have the rights to raise the request. Right. See here, guys, as I have told you, how many solutions we can give by industry wise, how many people are using, industries are using banking industry, financial services, healthcare, insurance, public sector, manufacturing. By department wise, how many departments they are implementing supply chain, finance, HR, QA, contact center. By technology, we can able to integrate with all these technologies. Okay. So in platform, we have explore the platform, view all products. Excuse me. Right. So guys, in UiPath, we have nowadays, when I'm learning in starting, we have only three basic products only, like Studio, Robot, and Orchestrator, three components. Nowadays, when we in UiPath, we have Action Center, Agent Builder, AI Center, Automation Hub, Assistant, Apps, Automation Ops, Autopilot, Data Service, IXP, Integration Service, Insights. There are these many, innovations are there to make you understand all these concepts and advanced concepts. First of all, we need to have knowledge on Studio, Orchestrator, robots. If you understand these three, then you can able to understand anything here. Okay. So in this one also, I'm going to teach you automation hub. I will explain, assistant I'll explain, and IXP I will explain, and orchestrator will be there. So in the curriculum, if you observe everything, whatever I'm going to teach, I have mentioned everything. Okay. And from the academy, what I have told you, we can register with our accounts, whatever the code I'm going to share with you all tomorrow. You can able to register and you can able to become a certified professional developer from this academy.uipath.com. Okay. From here, we are going to start the certifications and you will get rewarded with free certifications. And then we have, guys, docs.uipath.com. From this website only, each and every product documentation will be available. Whatever I'm going to teach, if you want more knowledge on that particular topic concept, you can just go through this website and you can have each and every product documentation will be there. And when you are working on Java, .NET or testing while you are doing the coding, generally which website you will take the support. For example, you need to write some code, but you're not able to get that. Which website you will go and check? general common website everybody will use. Stack Overflow, nowadays using ChatGPT, right? But in UiPath, we have a concept called forum, forum.uipath.com. So in this website, you can go and search, post your query. Within 15-20 minutes, so many solutions you will get. For example, see, as of now, latest 39 topics are there. Just 17 minutes ago, somebody posted Google Sheet activity gone. See, these two people have provided the solutions. Like that, you can keep on search the existing queries and you can build your solutions, and even you can keep on reading all the solutions and get some knowledge. Okay, all over the world globally, everybody will use this application only to search your queries, and whatever the flow you are developing, if you get stuck at somewhere, this website can help you. Okay, like that we have huge, very big community is available in RPA UiPath, guys. And in every country, every state, we have chapter leaders will be there. In India, we have Hyderabad chapter lead, Vizag chapter lead, Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Noida, the Bangalore, Kerala. Like this state wise, we have chapter leads. So we have very big, huge community in UiPath. Thus, Hyderabad community is the world's largest community. Total 7,000 plus active members are there. So this coming Saturday, I am going to give one session and I am a speaker for that session. So here in Ash Technologies in Hyderabad, I'm going to teach on UiPath IXP and UiPath agents in action and coded UI concepts. I'm going to teach. I'll be the speaker for that, session. So, so if you guys are around nearby Hyderabad, please try to come and and join. So I'll be the speaker for that session. Okay. So every week and every month, we will keep on engaging with the community, and in the community, we will help them what they are looking for, why they got some career gap, what are the best suggestions we can give from part of community. We can help them in terms of getting the job, sharing the opportunities with them, sharing the freelancing opportunities, internships, fresher openings like that. Okay. Uh, and guys, as I have told you yesterday, this is my LinkedIn profile page. If you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, you can please follow my LinkedIn page, and these all are my professional experiences, my career profile. I worked with Capgemini, KPIT, Berlosoft, Infosys, Signity, and currently working in Coforge as a technical lead. And as I have told you, every day we will keep on sharing the new opportunity updates entirely. See, 17 hours before, 22 hours before, we posted these opportunities for all the students who are learning from us. Hexaware, Pune, Mumbai location, 5+ years, and Zohani.com, 5 to 7 years, Proferit.com, 6+ years, Noida location. Like that, we will keep on sharing all the opportunities, job updates for the people entirely, so that you can, once you are ready, getting hands-on, once you are certified, you can just share your profile with them by going through this website. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Right. And guys, so as you all attended my first and second demo sessions, uh, with the token of gratitude, I am asking you all, take 1 minute of time and please give some rating and feedback that about the training today. Okay, I'm posting the link in the group. So whatever you understood, whatever your experiences so far, so about myself, what is the pain point and how is it was clear. Just share your experiences by giving some rating and feedback on this website. Okay, just take a minute of time and please, as of now 139 reviews are there. Please give some valuable rating of your time and please give your feedback. I've just shared the URL in the link. Once done, please let me know. I'm expecting at least 1 to 2 your valuable ratings. You able to access this? You know, right? How to give a review, how to give ratings and all. Right. Okay, yes. Let's continue. Any more questions, anyone? Are we good? Still you have any questions? So guys, from tomorrow morning, our actual sessions are going to start, paid sessions. So I will share the, as I've shared the payment link yesterday. So I will guide you how to make the payments. Okay. So session 2 will be posted soon. Session 2 recording. Okay. Once this class completed, session 2 will be recorded, posted. So once if you click on this payment option, okay, it will navigate to our RPA Vault page site. Okay. So here to have total 3 steps are there. First of all, so secure your seat now. Payment confirmation. Here you need to enter your name, mobile number, email address. This email address you will get receive the access for the recordings to your email automatically. From tomorrow you will get the access for the classes recordings. And to join the session also you need to enter your email. If this email is registered in our database, then only you can join the paid sessions from tomorrow. Okay. And location and country, continue for payment. Once you go for the payment, you will have the QR code here or you have the UPI ID. If anyone is joining from other country, please ping me. I will share the account details. And once payment done, please upload your payment screenshot here. And please let us know how you find us. Telegram, Google, WhatsApp reference or something. And here, please introduce about yourself. Like where you like, what about yourself, what you have studied, why you have career gap, if you are already working professional, where you are working, how many years of experience you have on a high level. And then please click on submit to click to submit and join the group. If you join the group, automatically you will comes and you will navigate to the paid group, paid December group, so that in that paid group you will receive the joining session link from tomorrow morning. Okay. So that is about the payment option and placements option, and as I have told you, you will get the support like in terms of accessing the materials and data, everything as I have told you yesterday, showed you yesterday. Every day your attendance will be tracked. For example, today morning at 6:30 a.m. batch, see how many members has joined today. So your attendance will be tracked. Everybody will be tracked. So it's not like here ago people are joining 20 25 members. How you can give them support? How it will be kind of a one-on-one support will be there. So total seat today December 12th. December 10th, these many members has absent, and then you will have access for all each and every option here. Okay, and along with that, I will give you best content in sharing the presentations, in sharing the bulk email addresses, in sharing the formats, in sharing presentations. All this content also I'm going to share. You will have access to each and every material here, projects, sample projects, presentations, and documentation format, PRD, SDD, PDD, cutover plan documentation format, theoretical interview question slides. So for example, if you see here,
No.
yes, yes. See here, guys. This is one of the document I can share with all of you, wherein it will be very helpful before attending the interview. Total, how many slides are there? 140 pages of document. Total 22 different concepts. So if you have this document theoretical part, so that you can go and able to attend the interview with very confidence. Before going interview, just go through and just recap yourself, so that each and every question you will get from the interview from these documentations only, right? And anyhow, every day you will do some hands-on project, so that what will happen, you will get some hands-on experience, so that you can able to do the system test, and if they ask any kind of a scenario based questions also, you can able to respond, right? I think we are good. Still any questions, anyone? Do you have anything to ask? Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
hi Raghav.
Hi.
Hello. Yeah, hi. So one thing, like if I want to pay in two installment, as you told yesterday, so like in the payment, like 8,500, and then in the similar way we need to pay.
Yes. After, for example, now you paid 8,500 partial amount. After two
Okay.
weeks, you want to pay remaining. No, again, same process. So that first payment, whatever you done, it
So
will be stored in database.
yeah. So like there, it's mentioned as the total amount it was showing, right? In
Ah, but
the
but you can pay partial, no problem. So that our
Acha,
team will
okay.
note down. Okay, this Maheshwar paid
Hmm,
8,500,
hmm, hmm, hmm.
and the next payment he mentioned the date after 10 days, 15 days. So that again
Okay,
after
okay, okay.
15 days, my team will follow up with you to make the remaining
Acha.
payment. Again, you
Okay,
can pay
okay,
so
okay.
that your complete payment will be stored in our database.
Okay, sure. Yeah, that was the.
Yeah, hi Raghav, Vinod here.
Right.
Just few minutes ago only I'm joined. May I know how many weeks is this training go on? And
Sure.
to the process.
So please first, ping me in my WhatsApp so that I can share you all the details like whatever you have missed yesterday and today's session. I will add you in the group. I will share the recording sessions, what you have missed yesterday and today. Okay,
Okay,
this is my number. Please take down or take a picture of this number and I'll explain it. So guys,
okay, sure.
whoever joined late, total course will be 45 days, which means every week 5 days, Monday to Friday, every day morning 8 to 10 a.m., Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday holiday. It's completely live sessions, not recorded sessions, and I am the only one teaching this complete course, and I'm a professional certified trainer on UiPath. And total in these 33 classes, you will get 32 to 33 every day 2 hours, so that you will get minimum after 45 days, you will get 65 plus hours of content total. Okay. And total cost will be 16,999. In that one, 25 to 27 classes will be on your path. 67 session will be on Power Automation. Clear, Vinod?
Yeah, clear. It's not only for UiPath, it's also for Power Automate. Am I right?
Exactly, exactly. All together
Uh,
only, single price. In market, nobody will teach you this both together, guys. If you want separate, you should learn separate by investing 15 to 20 on your path, 15 to 20 on Power Automation Cloud, maybe 10 to 15 on desktop, like that. But why I am giving these courses all together at the same price means, in as of now, if you observe in when you are attending in the interview, they are asking you other than your path, what else you know. If you simply say only your path, they are not allowing you, because in market nowadays the competitor for your path is Power Automation. If they got any Power Automation project, immediately they'll get strike your name. Okay, Maheshwar knows your path and Power Automation, so they'll put you place on that Power Automation project. That's the reason my ultimate objective is to candidate whoever joined my RPA Vault sessions, they should attend the sessions every day without having any absent, and every day they should do certification, they should do practice, and they should get hands-on experience. They're ready and able to capable of scheduling the interview, attending interview, cleared all the rounds, getting offer letter, and you should place in the company within less than short time, and then you should settle down in your career. For that, I can do anything. That's why only your path is not at all helpful nowadays. That's why I'm teaching these both, so that in your resume you can put both your path and Power Automation. You can put both the projects also, so that it will be helpful for you in getting the job in short time. Your profile will be shortlisted, because no other people will do this both the projects, both the technologies together. That's the reason. Right. Any more questions, anyone? Thank you. Thanks for your feedback, Mr. Uma Maheshwar, Vineet, and Kumar. Thanks a lot. Right. So if no questions, then I will ask some randomly. Okay. So Kaur, any questions, Kaur?
Uh, yes. Can you put your phone number again? The screen where
Sure,
you
sure,
had your phone number, please.
sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Right. How's the session, Kaur, so far? Is it good? Understood?
Yes, it was pretty informative. I'm not able to type in the chat for some reason, so I did put under the question and answer section that this was very informative. And I did ask the question about, like, do you prepare for interviews? But you answered that, like, you'll be giving the document that will have questions to prepare for the interview. Um,
Exactly.
and I don't think you provide job placements specifically for people in the US, right? But you help prepare for the interviews.
Yes. So
Okay.
even yeah, thank you so much. First of all, so in US also, right, marketing will be happen. You should be run under the payroll of any consultancy, so that they will give you opportunities. So even I also have some marketing companies, wherein you can run your payroll, and whoever people went on H1Bs, or whoever on the study visas. So I have like trained so many people in my 8 years of last experiences. I prepared this beautiful curriculum content for all of them. What companies are asking, whatever the position location you are from, whatever my network I have, like I can help you in sharing the connections, and so that you can connect with them, you can talk to them, what is the present market in your area. So if any opportunities are there, so that you can increase your network, so that you will receive some opportunities if they have really in their organization, or if you want to continue in their marketing company, so that you can tie up with them, so that they'll keep you posted and running the payroll.
Okay. Okay. That's very helpful. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Have Kumar, I am not a question informing I have 18 years of experience, 3 years career gap. I came to know attending this demo RP is more useful for production support projects. I worked in production support for 10 years, but no No one told us to learn RPA. I heard about all technology told there is demo class, but we didn't concentrate on that. Kindly inform everyone about this. So first of all, this is not like useful for the production support. Here you have development projects will be there, and you will have some kind of technical support projects will be there, and might be you will go and join as an business analyst if you are interested in terms of documentation, anything. But I will help you in preparing on all the RPA life cycle, where like you can able to requirement gathering, you can able to prepare documentation, you can able to do development, testing, monitoring, everything. It's not like limited to only this particular role. Okay. I have posted the payment link on the session one link for you, Kaur. Okay, you can just please go through that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And Avilash, any question, Avilash, for you?
As of now, I'm good.
Okay, great. Thank you. Maheshwar, any question, Maheshwar? Are we good?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
Raghav,
so
I
would
have
you
two
like
questions.
to join and continue the session from tomorrow?
Oh, yes, I have two questions.
Mm.
Is this RPA consultant have remote and hybrid options? And also, is there any rotational shifts for this
Oh yeah,
job?
sorry, good question. I forget that point. Explain that point. So guys, your job structure, I have mentioned structure, but I'd forget. So we have complete remote opportunities will be there. We have hybrid opportunities are there. We have on-site remote opportunities are also there. Okay. And if it is hybrid, maximum you should go work like 2 or 3 days, in a week. If it is complete remote, complete work from home. Okay. Complete work from home will be there, and all the locations you have: Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Kerala, Noida, Coimbatore, also Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Gurgaon. Everywhere we have these opportunities, and it won't be like mostly in a kind of a startups, because the licensing cost will be 20,000, 30,000 US dollars will be there. So small companies, startups may not able to have this RPA opportunity, so you will get mostly from the MNCs only. Okay. And about the next question, for example, you got stuck at somewhere after you join in the company, you got stuck at somewhere, you're not able to do the development, or you're not able to deliver the project. No problem. I can help you in clearing your, I can help you in giving some support also. Because whatever you learned from my courses, if you got some low complexity project, no problem, you can able to deliver. But if you got any high level, but you need some support, no worries, I can give you the support as well. Okay. Is it clear? Any more questions? And rotational shift, we don't have any such kind of rotational shift in RPA, because this is completely developmental. Only maximum 9 to 6 shift or 2 to 11 shift, no night shift, because we are not giving completely support. Support will be different. So if you're like working for support, might be you should work on night shift. But if you're a technical developer, you don't have such kind of a shift roster or night shift like that.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Next, Kumar, I am. Any question, Kumar, for you? Okay, next go with Lakshmi. Hi, Lakshmi. Are you there? Okay, next, Malika. Hi, Malika. Guys, if you're there, please try to unmute and respond. Pavan. Hi, Pavan. I am not asking any kind of
Yeah,
intro.
hi. Yeah, hi Raghav.
Hi. How's the
Yeah,
session, Pavan?
yeah,
You
it's
attended both the sessions yesterday, today?
yes, Raghav.
Okay. How's your demo experiences?
Yeah, it was pretty good, and actually, like one of my colleague also in the UiPath domain only. So he suggested me to go with the UiPath sessions, so that there will be a good future in the UiPath field like that him again. So that's why I had joined this session. And what we say, I'm working as an IT support in the sense like license management team. So to grow my career in the IT field, I just chosen this course, Raghav.
Okay, great. Thank you for joining. So how many years of experience you have as of now?
I'm having 3+ years of experience.
Okay, so currently you're working into license management allocation.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So is it will comes under night kind of a non-IT or IT?
It comes under IT support only. Like it will be having a fixed shift from evening 4:30 to night 2 o'clock.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So if you change your technology, switch your domain from the IT support to RPA, guys, definitely you will have very good feature. It's not like you need to follow each and everything, whatever I'm telling, you need to believe, not like that. You guys also can do some groundwork and homework on your own. Just take help from Google or ChatGPT and search. I'm currently working in support. If I switch to RPA path, what will be me the future? Is it really good or not? Can I expect good progress in my career or not? Just do your homework. It will give you the results. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ravi, for your time
Yeah.
in
Thank you,
joining the
Raghav.
session. Next, Praveen. Hi, Praveen.
Hey, hi Raghav.
Hi. And so you're currently working professional experience person?
Yes, Raghav, yeah. In Blue Prism.
Okay, I think yesterday you told that, right?
Yeah, in the beginning of the session, yeah.
Okay, which company?
From TCS.
Okay, location?
Hyderabad, currently working in remote.
Okay, okay,
Work from home.
okay. Enjoying work from home. But TCS, they have changed the rule, no? Like at least,
Yeah, actually we don't have ODs in Hyderabad, so they have given exception for me.
acha. So it depends on client also.
Yeah, yeah. So
Right.
usually Hyderabad, sorry, Bangalore people will go to the office. Rest Chennai, Pune, they won't go to the office in Hyderabad also.
Okay, okay, great. So you want to learn your path from tomorrow?
Yes, Raghav.
Great, thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Hi,
Actually,
Ramesh.
you know
Hmm.
Vinith, right?
Ha
So
ha
he is
ha.
my friend. He's my friend. So he suggested your course.
Okay, okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah,
Mhm. Yeah, he
thanks.
told me about you. Right.
Yeah,
Thanks.
yeah.
Okay. Hi, Ramesh. Any questions, Ramesh? Next, hi, Ramu. Ramu. Next, Sam. You guys are attending or just leaving the session, or you don't want to unmute, or you don't want to talk. I don't know. I'm not getting. Sandy, hi, Sandy. Are you there? Okay. Shravan, are you there, Shravan? Tirupati. Okay. We'll go with Vinith. Hi, Vinith.
Yeah, hi Raghav. Hi.
So, Vinith, you are already working on your path only, right?
No, Raghav, like I'm on bench, like I'm just looking for the projects like to work in the UiPath tool.
Okay. So, previously, on which tool you worked?
Blue Prism, more on Blue Prism, but less on UiPath, like kind of basic
Okay.
POCs I just worked on.
Okay. So, you and Praveen, like almost together, same profile.
Yeah, yes, same profile.
Right. Okay. Okay. So already done. Vinith, Vinod, any more questions you have as you join late? You want to ask anything?
Yeah, yeah. Nothing ask. The same session will be there in for January, or it's only for December.
Huh.
Because next
January
two
also,
weeks.
next batch also same. In
Yeah.
January
Okay.
also, after this batch. As of
Yeah.
now,
Okay.
currently three batches are going on. So the existing batches almost completed 22, 23 sessions. So once
Mhm.
completed, so generally I will take a single batch only parallelly every time. But due to this year ending, many people are requesting for the new batch. That's why without completing the existing batch, I have started this new batch for this batch.
Okay. And I'm currently working in RP automation anywhere. So additionally, I
Okay.
want to learn UiPath. That's why I'm
Yeah.
trying to.
Because no market for automation anywhere nowadays.
Yeah, you're right. Totally, I
Correct.
have 6 years of experience and 4 years in automation anywhere.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Great. So many people, whoever is joining my sessions, at least out of 2025, 7 to 8 people are already existing, RPA consultants only. But as there is no market for Blue Prism and Automation Anywhere and Kofax, TrueBot, WorkFusion, who are working, they're again learning this, UiPath from scratch to advanced level, and they're migrating switching their careers from their technologies to UiPath. So I just want to say that. Okay, I think we are good. So if you have any questions, please feel free to call me or ping me to my number. I have shared the WhatsApp. I will add you in the group. I will share the recorded links. And from tomorrow morning, everybody will receive the official paid, joining link in the new official paid batch group in December group. And let's connect from tomorrow morning for the actual session. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And thank you so much for your valuable time in joining these 2 free demo sessions from RPA Vault. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Raghav. Thanks, sir.
Thank you.